Can Hobson's Choice help you supersize your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom today is Hobson's Choice. And this is one of those idioms that I had never heard of before. I did it a while back. I researched it and talked about it. And I'll take a slightly different tack with it today, or a different perspective. That's what I like about covering idioms more than one time over the years that I've covered idioms. I think it's going on, I don't even remember how many thousand idioms now. I'd have to look at my worksheet and my spreadsheet because I do save the videos in there. But Hobson's Choice comes from a gentleman by the name of Thomas Hobson, who lived at the end of the 16th, beginning of the 17th century. And he was like what you consider a mail carrier or a delivery person today. Think FedEx or something. But he did it, of course, on horseback. And he would carry parcels and mail and messages and things between Cambridge and London. And when he wasn't using his horses for that, he would rent them out to university students. Now, of course, university students and most of us have favorite horses and favorite things that we like to rent. Well, he found out that his best horses were getting rented too often. And in order to not wear them out, he instilled a strict policy of when you wanted to rent a horse, you took the one closest to the door, the next horse in line, or you didn't get a horse at all. So he, over the next several decades, Hobson's Choice became the way to describe when you really didn't have a choice at all. You either took what was offered or you got nothing at all. I think of this, I think it reminds me of charity. Either you take what's offered as part of the charity or you just say no to it. So we really always have a choice, right? And that's what I'm thinking about today. Even if we think it's a Hobson's Choice, yeah, this company is setting up, or this gentleman, Thomas Hobson, set it up so that if you wanted to do business with him, you took the next horse. If you didn't, you had to find an alternative, or but you didn't get to rent one of his horses. And we can do that in our own businesses, right? We need to set ourselves up and structure our business and our products and our services and our offerings to the people that we want to serve so that we are their only choice. When they think of somebody that they want to do business with to solve a problem or to help them in some area or aspect of their life, we are the only choice in their mind, right? Of course, there's always a lot of other choices and a lot of solutions. I believe that there are infinite possibilities in the world and that there's always a way to figure things out and find different solutions. But in our clients' minds, we want them to believe that we are the best option for them, therefore the only option for them. And there's a lot of different ways we can go about doing that, right? Understanding them better, speaking in their own language, really knowing how to help them and solve their problems, having done it before, creating a system and then duplicating that system so that it works for more than just one or two people. It works for everybody that we're here to serve. So love to know your particular experience with this idiom. Like I said, prior to covering it in my idiom research, I'd never heard of it. I know a lot of times we work ourselves into a situation where we think we have to do this or that there's only two possibilities and two choices for us. A lot of times we feel like we are between a rock and a hard place when it comes to what we can do in our businesses. But the truth is, there are infinite options. We are limited only by our imagination and our willingness to look for and search out and find those solutions. So share in the comments below your thoughts on this. Do you believe that, it's my way or the highway? And that works sometimes, right? But other times we need to be a little more flexible. So that's it for today. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and build and supersize your business? Have a great day.